Blacktail 4x4 here. Welcome back to another one. I got a surprise for you. Behind me we have the truck and we have the taillights on for a purpose because I'm in the midst of blacking out this truck, and the last thing that is left behind me are the taillights. So these lights are great, don't get me wrong, but I'm just looking to black it out. Now, I'm also looking for LEDs for the back. We changed out the bulbs at the front to LEDs, and we've pretty much changed everything out to LEDs except for these. So I contacted Vland and told them that, you know what, I would love to do a review on their taillights and try them out, see how they look. So today, we're gonna actually swap out these OEM headlights with these cool smoked LED taillights. Let's get to it. So this is the box. We're gonna do a little unboxing for you guys here today. Again, I wanna thank Vland for sending these over for us to test, try out, and use. Let's get this open. I'm gonna just lay them out as I take them out here. We also got the connectors. This looks great. Take a look at that. So there's a resistor already mounted onto the taillights. So this is really nice. I like what they've done. Otherwise, what you would have to do is look for a spot inside the chassis of the truck to mount this on. You don't have to worry about that. That's already in. And you got the easy connect cable right over here. It should be a plug and play. It should be pretty easy. All right, guys. So I'm just going to show you a comparison between the OEM and the new LED. Like, look at that. I'll keep it even side by side. Day and night difference. I just like that it doesn't pop. The red that is popping currently now, you know, like this taillight eliminates that whole look, and it's discreet, blacked out, just the way it should be. All right, so I'll be using an 8mm bit to get this torque screw out. There's two of them that are attached or holding onto this taillight over here. This is two of them that we got to remove, and we're gonna do that now. Okay, so we got the two screws removed, and you'll notice that there is now some wiggle room. Now you got to use a little bit of that elbow grease to snap this out. There's a few clips that are holding it into place. So without breaking the taillight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide it forward, and we'll hear that actual clip release as I do that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the cable over here. It's just a quick clip off that we have to do, and then we will plug this into the new taillight. All right, so before I do plug this in, I'm gonna show you that there are two type of little screws. These actually clip into the truck. So there's 1 and 2 right over here. So yeah, let's get this plugged in. Okay, simple. Before I actually stick this in, I'm gonna do a quick test just to see and make sure that this works. It's a process to put back in otherwise. Wow. All right. So it does work. Okay, and just like that, it's in. So I'm just gonna use the same hardware that the OEM taillight came with to screw it back in, and then we're gonna go to the next one. All right, so before we stick on the next one, I'm showing you a quick comparison. Let's do it. I love it. I love it. I had my silent damn behind camera. It looks sick. So we're gonna quickly get the other one replaced. We're gonna take this truck outside and we're gonna get some sick shots for you guys. Okay, I'll just give it a quick test to make sure this one also works. Okay. Perfect. And just line up all the holes. And it's done. I love it. I love it. So we're gonna take this truck outside and we're gonna show you some awesome angles, different settings of this light, show you how it looks with like the brakes, the reverse, the flashers, the whole 9 yards. Let's go outside and let's see what this looks like. And that is it. I want to thank Vland for sending these over to us so we could do a review, install, and so I can actually ride with them. I think they're fantastic. If you guys like what you saw today, let me know, comment below. I honestly feel like it's a day and night difference. It's all blacked out now, which I'm super pleased with. And everything is now on LEDs. So it's a good transformation. Now, I actually wanted to introduce someone that's new to the team, and his name is Tushan. He is a Jeeper as well. I brought him on board because of his excellent camera skills. So he is now our official cameraman, as well as my official manager. I just wanted to welcome you on board. As the channel grows, as we have this vehicle, and now we're doing walkarounds of other people's Jeeps, I need an extra hand. He's a perfect person for it. So I want to welcome you officially.
Thank you.
Anytime. If you like what you saw, there's a subscribe button as well. Actually, I would like you to smash it, tap it, click on it. It would mean a lot to us. We will catch you guys on the next one. Take care.